Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we will show you how to change Twitter sensitive content. First of all, open Twitter application from your mobile device. Now click on profile icon at top left. Scroll down and click on settings and support. Twitter settings will open. You will see many different settings options here. Click on privacy and safety. Here you can see different options available under privacy and safety section. You have to click on content. You see the third option in the list. Well, here you can turn on or turn off display media that may contain sensitive content. You can change it according to your requirements. After changing it according to your requirements, you can go back. This is the simple and easy process to change Twitter's sensitive content option. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.